How to fix Steam corrupted disk file. For this first step, verifying the game files. Open up Steam, click the library option in the top side, click it and click the games. Right click, click properties. In this click install file, click verify integrity of the game file and wait for a couple of seconds to completely verifying the files. It will re-download any damaged files or corrupted files available means if nothing but it's verifying entire game files. Once complete after, it will throw up the message successfully validate. After that, you need to close it and come to next step, repair the Steam library folders. For this, go to Steam, click settings, click storage and make sure you should have enough memory space. Around 40 to 50 GB enough memory space is available, means it's good. Click the three dot icon in the right side and click repair library and wait for a couple of seconds to repair the library. Once complete after, close it and come to next step, clear Steam download cache. For this, go to download, scroll down and click clear download cache. Click it and click confirm. Once you confirm after, it will come outside of the Steam. And again, you need to log in. Click it. And the next step, run Stream as administrator. For this, open up Stream, click properties, click compatibility, and make sure enable the run the program as administrator. Once complete after the last and final step, search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it, and click allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall, and click change settings, scroll down and search for Steam. And make sure you should enable in both private and public. If it's not means you can enable it. If Steam option is up not having means you need to click allow another app and browse it. For easy method, come outside, open file location of the Steam and copy the address in the top side. Come back and paste the address in the browse. You can easily get the application. Click it and add it. Click add. I already have so I skip it. So you can add it. Once adding after click OK. So this is how to fix the issue. So thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned. Thank you.